Today, I will show you Answer Master Tested. Is it legit app or scam? What is Answer Master? Answer Master is a trivia-style mobile app developed by J. Reynolds Systems. It claims that users can answer trivia questions to earn rewards or cash via PayPal or similar once they reach certain balance thresholds. The app is free to download, has been gaining popularity, and shows many downloads and positive ratings on the Play Store. This is what looks suspicious or red flags. Although the app has decent ratings and many users engage with it, several investigation reports, for example, Nigeria Life, other review sites, claim that no one has found proof of actual payouts. Users report reaching the withdrawal threshold and seeing their balance, but when they try to cash out, their request either enters a review stage, then gets queued with many people in front, and then nothing happens. Also, the app shows many ads, constant prompts to watch more ads in order to multiply rewards or claim bonuses, which slows down progress significantly. For some users, the app seems to make its money mainly from ads, while promising cash but not delivering. Another issue is the payout threshold is very high. For example, Tilda, $300 inches some reports, which makes it difficult for many users to reach it. What seems legit or acceptable? The app's game mechanics work. People can answer trivia questions, see their scores, earn virtual balances, etc. It's not a completely broken app. Some users enjoy it for its trivia aspect or as entertainment. The UI and gameplay are described by many users as decent for what they are. Final verdict: it appears more likely that its reward and payout system is promised rather than delivered. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.